Hey, wait a minute. Did you know one thoughtful gesture can make a lasting impact? As a charmer, your secret weapon isn't grand, flashy moves. It's the subtle, thoughtful ones. This technique is called the thoughtful gesture from the charmer's playbook. Imagine this. She mentions her love for a specific type of coffee during a conversation. A few days later, you surprise her with that exact coffee, casually saying, "I remembered you mentioned loving this, so I thought I'd grab it for you." You've shown that you listen, you care, and you're attentive to the little details that matter to her. It's these small, thoughtful gestures that make a woman feel truly seen and appreciated. A thoughtful move like this creates a deep connection. Want more expert-level tips on building attraction? Subscribe to Magnetic Moves for daily insights that will take your charm to the next level. Hey, wait a minute. Did you know showing genuine interest can set you apart from everyone else? Picture this. You're on a date, and instead of trying to impress her with your stories, you ask, "What's something you're passionate about but rarely talk about?" This technique is called the curious charmer, straight from the charmer's playbook. Asking questions that go beyond the surface shows you're interested in who she really is. It's not about small talk. It's about making her feel special, like no one else is paying attention to her unique qualities. When you're genuinely curious, she feels valued, and that's magnetic. Most guys talk about themselves, but you're different. You listen, and that's what sets you apart. If you want to dive deeper into these tips, subscribe to Magnetic Moves for daily advice on building deeper connections and lasting attraction. Hey, wait a minute. Did you know that simply matching her body language can create an instant connection? When you're sitting across from her and she crosses her legs, you subtly mirror her movement by doing the same. It's a powerful psychological trick called mirroring, right from the charmer's playbook. This technique works because it taps into something called the law of similarity, which makes people feel more comfortable with those who are like them. By reflecting her posture or gestures, you're subconsciously telling her, "We're in sync." The key is to be subtle. Don't make it obvious. When she leans in, you lean in slightly too. This creates rapport without saying a word, and she'll feel an unspoken connection. Want to learn more powerful techniques like this to level up your charm? Subscribe to Magnetic Moves and get daily tips that will change the way you interact. Hey, wait a minute. Do you know the impact a sincere compliment can have? Let me share a powerful technique with you. Picture this. You're at a cafe, and you notice her. Instead of a typical line, you approach and say, "You have a way of making everyone around you feel special." It's quite rare. This move is called the personalized compliment from the charmer's playbook. It's about acknowledging something unique about her, showing that you're genuinely observant and appreciative. By giving a thoughtful compliment, you're not just making her smile. You're making her feel truly seen and valued. That's the kind of connection that leaves a lasting impression. Remember, sincerity is key. So next time, skip the cliches and offer a compliment that comes from the heart. Want more tips like this? Like this video and subscribe to Magnetic Moves for daily advice on mastering the art of attraction. Asterisk. Hey, wait a minute. Have you ever tried giving her a playful compliment that catches her off guard? As a charmer, it's all about keeping things light and fun. This technique is called the playful compliment, and it's straight out of the charmer's playbook. Picture this. You're talking to her, and in the middle of a conversation, you drop this line with a smile. You have the most contagious laugh I've ever heard. It should come with a warning. You're mixing light humor with genuine praise, and it makes her feel good without any pressure. It shows you notice her, and you're not afraid to have fun with it. This technique works because it's disarming. Playful compliments make her smile and remember you for being confident but not overly serious. Want more charm-packed tips? Subscribe to Magnetic Moves for daily ways to elevate your flirting game. Hey, wait a minute. Have you ever wondered how to turn a mistake into instant attraction? You don't have to be perfect to charm a woman. In fact, making a little mistake can be a golden opportunity to show off your confidence. This technique is called the charming apology from the charmer's playbook. Next time you accidentally bump into her or forget something small, smile and say something like, "Oops, my bad. Guess I was just distracted by your smile." It's playful, light, and shows you're confident enough to laugh at yourself. A well-delivered charming apology makes her feel at ease, shows you're human, and adds a touch of flirtation that can spark connection. Remember, charm isn't about being flawless. It's about turning moments into opportunities. Want more expert tips? Subscribe to Magnetic Moves for daily lessons on mastering the art of charm. Hey, wait a minute. Do you know how powerful eye contact and a smile can be in sparking attraction? Imagine this. You're on a casual date and there's a pause in conversation. You lock eyes with her. This is your moment. This technique is called the silent charm, straight from the charmer's playbook. All you need is eye contact and a warm, confident smile. Why does this work? Eye contact shows you're focused on her, confident and not afraid to take the lead. But the smile, now, that's what makes you approachable and friendly. It's the perfect balance of attraction and warmth. Remember, the key is balance. Without the smile, eye contact can feel too intense. Add the smile, and you instantly ease the tension, making her feel seen and comfortable. Like this tip? Subscribe to Magnetic Moves for daily advice to improve your confidence and charm. Hey, wait a minute. Did you know that giving a polite, thoughtful compliment can make all the difference? You're on a date, and instead of saying something generic like, "You look nice," you say, "I love how you carry yourself. It's so graceful." This technique is called the gentle flatterer, straight from the charmer's playbook. It's all about offering genuine, thoughtful flattery, not just surface-level compliments. You focus on something unique about her, a detail most might overlook. This makes her feel appreciated in a way that few others can manage. By acknowledging something specific, she feels truly seen. Most compliments are empty, but yours? They come from a place of sincerity, and that's what leaves a lasting impression. Want to learn more magnetic moves like this? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for daily tips on how to elevate your charm game with magnetic moves. Hey, wait a minute. What if I told you that the secret to winning her over is giving her your undivided attention? When she's talking, don't just listen, really listen. Nod, smile, and respond to what she's saying. Ask questions that show you care. This technique is called giving attention straight from the charmer's playbook. Women appreciate a man who makes them feel heard and valued. By focusing on her words and being engaged, you're showing her she's important to you. It's not just about talking, it's about making her feel like the center of your world. This creates a deeper connection because you're not just hearing her, you're understanding her. Trust me, nothing is more attractive than that. Want more game-changing tips like this? Subscribe to Magnetic Moves and come back daily for your next charm booster.